You've probably noticed we've added some information at the bottom of the screen on expected snow totals across different communities.
Now, these numbers have already motivated a lot of folks to stock up on food and gas. As Sean Lay's been showing us, there are even some empty shelves and very full parking lots around town. Sean?
Devin and Kimberly, also, if you're headed out to get ready, keep in mind traffic is wild everywhere. So many people are out right now preparing for this storm. We're on Middle Belt here in Livonia. In front of us, a packed parking lot of a packed Meijer. Behind us, a very busy Costco. And take a long look at this long line just to get into the parking lot, just to get in line to fill up your tank and buy gas. That's the longest part right now. The most alarming part, the number of empty shelves we're seeing around town. Drone 4 can show you this parking lot of the Meijer on Middle Belt in Livonia. Inside, people are packing the place, preparing for the winter storm that's on our doorstep. Now let's head to busy Dearborn. Bill Lamb is filling up at this Kroger on Michigan Avenue.
Needed to fill it up before. I don't want to have to do it in the snow.
The thing is, Bill is here visiting from Florida, where he could be right now.
You're right. Family stuff up here. And so I have to take care of that first.
You're good to go.
I'm good to go.
Also waiting in long lines to get gas, super son Brandon Zansky.
I found my mom and dad's car, so I don't have to get out here and do it.
Do they know you're doing that?
No, but that's just what you do.
And he's ready for this winter wallop.
Tractors and snowblowers are ready to go.
Inside this Dearborn Kroger, shoppers stocking up and finding empty shelves, empty cases, and long lines. Here's the milk case. This is the egg case. Here's the salad area. But most, like Kim Moore, are getting just what they need for the next several days. What brings you out to this Kroger today?
Because they're saying storms tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get prepared.
What? Could you believe how busy it is in there?
It's crazy. It's crazy. But I tell you, my girl in registered number 12, her name is Margaret, she got that land down.
All right, Margaret.
Yes.
You got to thank people who are working hard, too.
I mean, what can you expect? I mean, you see it's busy, so you got to get your patience in today.
Back here live in Livonia, Kim said it all right there. Packing your patience. We're hearing a lot of honking horns out here, drivers positioning in the parking lots and trying to get in, getting very impatient. Also being thankful and patient with the people who are trying to also help all of us prepare for this storm. Devin, Kimberly?
Indeed, and way to go, Margaret, on registered 12. That's all right. Got to thank the people who are helping. Sean, we appreciate it.